In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a formula down an entire column in Google Sheets. This is a handy trick to know, especially if you're dealing with a lot of data and want to ensure consistency and accuracy across your spreadsheet. Let's dive right in. You'll often find yourself needing to apply the same calculation or operation to a series of cells in a column. Let's simplify this task. Imagine you have a formula set up, and you'd like to apply it not just to a single cell, but to all the other cells in the column. The most straightforward method to do this is to use the small blue square at the bottom right corner of the cell containing your formula. This square is known as the fill handle. You simply click and drag it downward over the cells you wish to fill. This will automatically replicate your formula, adjusting cell references if necessary, so each row reflects its respective data. Now, what if you have a large dataset and dragging isn't practical? In that case, you can use the powerful array formula function to make your life easier. This method is perfect when you want to apply your formula across thousands of rows without manually dragging the fill handle. Let's go through how to set this up. Start by taking your original formula and incorporating it into an array formula. This special function allows you to apply a formula to an entire range of cells with just one command. For instance, if your formula begins in cell B3, you need to update your formula to work for a range rather than a single cell. Replace the single cell reference with a colon notation that covers the entire column. Instead of just B3, you would use B3B, which encompasses all cells from B3 to the bottom of column B. Do the same for any other columns your formula includes, such as changing from C3 to C3C. Once you've updated your formula to include these ranges and wrapped it in the array formula function, all you need to do is press Enter. Google Sheets will automatically populate the formula down the entire column. This approach not only saves you time, but also reduces errors, as you ensure that the formula is applied consistently across each row. And there you have it. Two simple methods to fill down formulas in Google Sheets, whether for a finite series of rows or an entire column. Use the drag and drop method for smaller sets of data, and the array formula function for larger data sets, or when automation is key. I hope this helps streamline your process and enhances your efficiency when working with Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and happy data crunching.